Hi, I have received this morning 2 parcels. The first one here is a gift from a kind person, and I bought the second one here in a Militaria shop in UK. So let's see what we have inside. Let's start with the gift. Okay, so there are different instruments. This one is a propeller speed indicator from Sextant Avionics. This is a French manufacturer. And the second one is an ITT indicator. So this is the interstage temperature indicator. It measures the temperature between the low and high pressure turbines. This one is also from Sextant Avionics. So this one is a nice navigation indicator. And there is a compass card and the glide slope and VOR indicator. This one is the temperature and pressure of the engine oil. This one is also from Sextant Avionics. There is another one. This is the torque indicator from Sextant Avionics as well. And there is the last one. So this is the speed of a turbine, I think, in percentage. Yes, it is written NG vitesse turbine. This is the speed of the turbine from Sextant Avionics as well. Merci beaucoup, Xavier. C'est super cool. So I will do tear down and reverse engineering and test of all these instruments. So let's see the second parcel. Okay, so let's see what we have. This thing is very difficult to find. Look at that. So this is the part of the tow missile. It is normally the engine part, but I'm not sure. This thing is quite heavy. Okay, so it should be very interesting to see what is inside. Okay, so let's see the second stuff. I am very curious to see what is inside. Okay, so this is a section, I think, which should be maybe on the front. Okay, so this was separated in two parts. So this thing is very heavy, a few kilos. Okay, so this is interesting. There are different stuff inside. Can be very interesting to see what is inside that thing. We will do the tear down another day. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.